Everyone in Maple Hollow believed in waiting. Waiting for bread to rise, waiting for crops to grow, waiting for life to unfold in its own time. Everyone except Caleb Turner. Caleb was 17 in the summer of 1954, tall for his age, restless in his bones, and always tapping his foot as if the world were running too slowly for him. Maple Hollow was a small American town tucked between cornfields and a quiet river, where mornings smelled like coffee and engine oil, and evenings ended early with porch lights flicking on one by one. Caleb didn't hate the town, he hated the pace. He wanted fast results, quick wins, immediate proof that his effort mattered. When he helped his father fix radios in their small repair shop on Main Street, he rushed through the work. If a radio didn't play after the first adjustment, he grew frustrated. When his father told him to slow down, Caleb rolled his eyes. "If it doesn't work now, it probably never will," he said. At school, he quit the baseball team halfway through the season because he wasn't starting yet. He dropped piano lessons after 3 months because he couldn't play like the older students. He jumped from dream to dream, chasing shortcuts, abandoning anything that asked him to wait. Deep down, Caleb believed something dangerous. If success didn't come quickly, it wasn't worth pursuing. One autumn afternoon, he found a dusty flyer pinned to the grocery store board. "Apprentice needed, woodworking shop. Inquire inside." The shop belonged to Mr. Henry Calloway, an old man with thick hands and calm eyes who built furniture the slow way, using hand tools and patience. Caleb imagined learning fast, selling pieces quickly, making money, and leaving Maple Hollow behind. He showed up the next morning. The first week broke him. Caleb didn't let Caleb build anything. He made him sand boards over and over for hours. Caleb's arms burned, his mind screamed, the work felt pointless. "Why can't I just start building something?" Caleb snapped. Mr. Calloway didn't raise his voice. He simply said, "Because you're not ready." Caleb quit the next day. Weeks passed. Winter crept in. The radio shop struggled. Caleb's father fell ill, forcing the shop to close temporarily. For the first time, Caleb had nowhere to run, no new thing to chase. Out of money and options, he returned to the woodworking shop. "I'll do whatever you want," he said quietly. Mr. Calloway studied him for a long moment. Then he nodded. This time was different. Caleb sanded wood until his hands learned the grain. He sharpened tools without using them. He swept floors and watched. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. Nothing exciting happened. No applause, no shortcuts. But something inside Caleb began to slow down. He noticed how rushing ruined the wood, how impatience caused mistakes that took longer to fix, how careful effort saved time in the end. One evening, after Caleb ruined a table leg by forcing a cut, Mr. Calloway finally spoke. "You keep trying to arrive before the journey, but growth doesn't respond to speed, it responds to respect." Those words stayed with Caleb. Spring came. Mr. Calloway allowed him to build a small stool. It took weeks. Caleb wanted to rush, but he didn't. He measured twice, cut once, waited for glue to set. When the stool was finished, it was simple, solid, honest. Mr. Calloway sold it the next day. Caleb didn't feel excitement. He felt something better, pride that had roots. Years later, that patience carried him farther than speed ever could. Caleb eventually took over the shop. His furniture became known for lasting generations. People trusted his work because it was never rushed. Looking back, Caleb understood the truth he once refused to hear. Speed ruins growth. Patience multiplies results. And the boy who wanted everything fast finally learned how to build something that lasted. because the longest road often leads to the strongest foundation.